Number 25 on the 2025 AMC 10A. Problem. A point P is chosen at random inside square ABCD. The probability that AP is neither the shortest nor the longest side of APB can be written as A plus B prime minus C times square root of D over E, where A, B, C, and D are positive integers. GCD ABCE equals 1, and D is not divisible by the square root of a prime. What is A plus B plus C plus D plus E? This question is asking for the probability, meaning that we have to find that how much area P can be in and divide it by ABCD. So case 1, AB is the longest. So let's draw the square. In this drawing, AB is the longest. Here, BP is smaller than AP, since AP is neither the longest nor the shortest side. So point P should be below this line, this midpoint line. Okay, let's see why. I'll draw the square again. Let's get random point P. Draw a line that crosses point P and is parallel to AB. Now, say that AB midpoint is P prime. If we draw triangle APP prime, it becomes like this. So AP prime is bigger than AP. If we draw BP prime, BPP prime, it becomes like this. So BP is bigger than BP prime. However, since P prime is the midpoint, BP prime equals AP prime, which means that AP is smaller than AP prime, which is equal to BP prime, which is again smaller than BP. So AP is smaller than BP. Therefore, if P is above the midline, like this case, AP is smaller than BP, and if it's below, AP is bigger than BP. So here, back to the case, BP is smaller than AP, so point P should be below the line. Here, BP is also smaller than AB. AP is smaller than AB. So, point P should be inside two of these circles. And it's because if P is inside the circle, BP is smaller than R. And also AP is also smaller than R. So the area should be this part. Case 2. AP is the largest. BP is smaller than AP, so P is above the dotted line. Also, BP is bigger than AB, so P is outside these two circles. So the area should be this. Therefore, the total area is this much. Now let's find the area of these color parts. This area is this blue section minus this red part plus this minus this. However, this blue part minus this red part is equal to this color part, this purple part. This minus this is this, which is 30 degrees, because this is 60 degrees and this is 30 degrees. The area of this is pi times 1 over 12. And to find the area of this, we have to know both the sides. Let's just assume that the area of square ABCD is 1 because we have to divide by ABCD anyways. This point here, this here, let's call this point R. BR is 1. So this midpoint NR is square root of 3 over 2. Let's call this point N prime. So N prime R is 1 minus square root of 3 over 2. And then Dn prime is 1 over 2. So the area of the purple color part is 1 over 2 minus 4 over 3. And add this, 1 over 12 times pi. And this is the answer. So the answer is 6 plus 1 plus 3 plus 3 plus 12, which is equal to 25. So the answer is A.